Okay, so I've got everything assembled and set up here, hooked into my hose. I've already started on the siding here, but you can see the spots that I haven't done, and you can see the line where I have done it. So it's super easy to use. It shuts off automatically when you let go of the handle. And let me show you the cleaning power here. So this isn't even to the hardest setting. I've got it on a fairly wide stream right now. So here we go. See, it's just destroying that dirt. So there you have it. It works really well. It's nice and light, very compact. Got a little handle on it to carry around, and it has a spot on the side for the power cord. The other thing that's very cool is to store it. You've got this quick release button here that allows you to just pop the pressure cable out and wrap it up, drain the water, and you're ready to store it. Alright, thanks everybody. If you want to see any more demonstrations on this machine, just give me some feedback in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.